You know, Kristen, I'm just not sure that your strategies work. Do you have any proof? Do I? Okay, well, let's take a look at this one. 378,514 is the balance on that one. 56,866 on that one. 61,954 on that one. Should I continue? Well, I could because I have like 9,000 more. But the entire point is I have strategies. They work. They're very simple. As you can see with this one, this is kind of like the money line. It's the two touch, but on classic candles, using common point of rejection. So you can see that we literally only have two lines, one horizontal line, one trend line. That's it. All right. And this is the same thing, common point of rejection. We have multiple touches, two lines, horizontal line for resistance and a trend line to determine which candle we are going to trade on. And I teach this entire thing as part of my VIP. This is actually going to, I kind of figured this out this morning. We're using the two touch as a way to confirm for the money line. So if you want to learn about the money line, and it's called the money line because you make money when price rejects off this line, then use the link that you see with this video and I will show you how to win trades like this.